Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at how to use the Avada Radio Field Element. By the end of this video, you'll understand all the options in the Radio Field Element and when and how to use it effectively in various forms. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's dive in. The Radio Field element in Avada Forms is designed for situations where you want a user to choose one option and only one option from a short list. You would use a radio field for questions like yes or no, preferred contact method, membership type or delivery option, anywhere the choices are mutually exclusive. I'll just add one to the Request a Tour form here on the Real Estate Prebuilt. To get started, I will add the Radio Field element from the Form Elements panel. As you can see, it starts with the Field Label option. Here you can give the field a clear label such as Preferred Contact Method, so users understand what they're being asked to choose. Field Name is the next option and is an internal identifier used by the system. This is what you'll see in submissions, email notifications or other integrations. A descriptive field name helps you organize and use the collected data efficiently. This autofills from the field label when you tab away, but you can of course set this to whatever you want. Required field is the next option, and with this scenario I'd set this to yes. If you do set it to required, an empty input notice option appears underneath it. What you add here then displays if data input is left empty on the field. Tooltip text follows this, and if you add text here, a question mark appears next to the field label and the tooltip displays if you mouse over it. Next you define the radio field options. Each option represents a possible answer. For example, as I'm asking how someone prefers to be contacted, my options will be email, phone, and SMS. Even though all options will be visible, the user will only be able to select one. You can also choose a pre-selected option by clicking on the tick next to the option you prefer. This is useful if one answer is more common, or if you want to gently guide users toward a preferred choice. There is also an option for bulk or predefined options here. This allows you to bulk add your own options or to choose from predefined choices. Following the options, there is a field layout option of stacked or floated. Here I think I would change this to floated. After that, there's the tab index, which controls the field's order in keyboard navigation, useful for accessibility and prompting users to tab through fields in a logical sequence. And then we find CSS class and CSS ID options for further customization with CSS if you need a unique look or behavior. There's also a conditionals tab for adding conditional logic to the element. Okay, let's just save this, and now let's come to a listing on the front end. Here we can request a tour. As we can see on the form, the radio field element displays all available choices at once. This makes them easy to scan and quick to use, especially compared to drop-downs which hide options until clicked. That's why radio fields work best when you have a small number of clear choices. When the form is submitted, the selected radio option is passed through with the rest of the form data. You can use that value in email notifications, conditional logic or data storage just like any other field. In summary, use the radio field when the user must make a single clear choice from a short list. It keeps forms simple, readable, and user-friendly, and that's exactly what it's designed for. If you have a longer list of options, consider the select field element instead. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.